Hello, good morning. We are here in Ojai, Ojai. Welcome to Ojai. 7 days a week, 10 till 6. And when closed, throw coins in slot in the door for the amount marked in the book. So that means you could still get a book and just pay yourself. Parang sa Batanes na honesty store. So this is like an honesty bookstore. How cool is that? So the price of the book is 50 cents each. That's why it says drop the coin, the amount at the door. So we'll find out where is that to drop our coins. Oh, I've never seen a green purpose driven life by Rick Warren and some other books. Send me to someone. Sorry, I'm taken. I played the smart pig. Oh, okay. This is where you drop off the coins. Ayun, yung little slot there. So we are here in Ojai. This is our most requested book. Recently published. I have this book at home. Religion. I have this book at home, but I never read it yet. Gardening here. They're selling beverages, and I thought it ends there, but there's a lot more. And it's categorized. So they have the philosophy here. Kaya maraming pilosopo eh. Oh, maraming philosophy, poetry, and literatures inside. Daming books. A lot more books. I love yung shelves with the plants. Ang galing ng idea. So it's a maze. It's a big, wide place with a big and wide selection of books. I can stay here all day. How they have designed where the shelves are and putting the plants and having the roof. Ang ganda. Bart's book. I don't know if they're selling that. Enough lighting. Let's see the inside. More seatings here. Double trouble. Look at. And this is the inside. I don't know if there's more. Yeah, of course there's a lot more books. That's a nice design there. Ito familiar. Secret Garden. And there's an upcoming play about this. Where we live. I've read about this and there was a movie. Heidi, there was a cartoon I watched as a kid. The princess, I'm not sure. Of course, everyone knows Winnie the Pooh and Christopher Robin. Mary Poppins, Peter Pan. is probably the kitchen or homemaking section right here. And I think I saw Tita Martha Stewart. I told you it wouldn't be a complete bookstore if Tita Martha Stewart is not here. Hi, Tita. So some books cost more and some cost less, like this one. It's table setting guide and it's $8. Maybe these are the precious ones. So that's $300. Ooh. And these ones are the signed ones, limited editions or first editions, so that's why they're just inside. Interesting. This is the old house, the old Barth bookstore. And that's it. Celebrating a century of Ojai from 1921 to 2021. Thank you for joining us today, seeing a few parts of Ojai. There's a lot more to see. There's a lot of bike trails there and many more places to go. We really enjoyed the Barth bookstore and we hope that you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.